welcome to our channel, Christine's Pastries and Cakes. Hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. Today we're going to make a really simple lemon meringue tart. We're going to start off with the following ingredients. We start off with 400 grams of tennies biscuits, which I have crushed in a food processor. I have 120 grams of melted butter. We have 1 kilo, 150 grams of condensed milk. We have 245 grams of lemon juice and 12 grams of lemon rind. I have 4 large, or should I say extra large, egg yolks, as well as the egg whites, which I have separated. I also have 120 mils of icing sugar and 5 mils of salt. Right, let's get started. We're going to mix the butter with the biscuits until nicely combined. Make sure that they're all nice and wet and the butter has incorporated properly. Right, I'm going to line 3 9-inch pie dishes. Right, I'm going to press them in with the back of a spoon, just up along the sides, so I've got a nice firm base where my pie filling can sit in nicely. And then I'm going to place in the refrigerator for 15 minutes so that the base can set with the butter. In the meantime, I preheated my oven to 160 degrees and I'm going to do my filling. Right, now we're going to mix the filling together. So I'm going to add my lemon juice to my condensed milk, my salt, lemon rind, and my eggs. My egg yolks, to be exact. Right, and then I'm just going to whisk them together until it's nicely mixed. Right, there we go. Filling done. Right, next we're going to whisk the egg whites to soft peak. This is what we're looking for, soft peak. You can see your peaks are just falling over. Right, we've reached the right consistency. As you can see, our peaks are still nice and soft. They're still flopping over when you pull them up. I'm really happy with that. The biscuit has been in the fridge for 15 minutes. You can see it's set quite nicely. I'm going to take the filling and I'm going to just pour it in equal quantities in the 3 different pie shells. I'm going to quickly get this done and then I'll get back to you and show you how to pipe the meringue. Right, so I've divided them equally. Now I'm just going to spread them out evenly. My meringue is ready to be piped. You don't have to put it in a piping bag. You can just put it on the top and put it straight into the oven. I'm just going to do this because I kind of just like this finish. I'm now going to pop all 3 of these into the oven. Remember I said my oven was heating at 160 degrees. I'm going to bake them at 160 degrees for 20 minutes and then I'm going to lower the temperature to 120 degrees and bake them for another 10 minutes. and then they should be done. Right guys, so here we have our finished lemon meringue pies. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.